Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our RDG-15A and RDG-38 glow rod kits. These are perfect tools for pushing and pulling cables in low light applications. The RDG-15A features 3 5-foot long glow rods totaling 15 feet, and the RDG-38 features 6 5-foot glow rods totaling 30 feet. These glow rod kits feature the following. 1, the glow rods themselves are luminescent, they're glow rods, and offer a splinter-free experience. They have stainless steel fittings on each side. These fittings feature a 8/32 standard thread and have 2 flats on them that allow you to wrench each section together so that they're tight and don't work loose during use. They come with the following attachments: a ball chain, a bullet type eyelet, which is perfect for use in insulated walls, a C-hook, and our whisk light. The whisk light is a whisk and flashlight combination. The whisk light also features holes in it, allowing you to tie cable to it to push and pull cable primarily above acoustical tile ceilings. One other thing about the rods is that they offer a pull force of up to 500 pounds. All these kits come with this rugged and durable reusable plastic tubing, which is great for storage. Thanks.